Sicilians are ingenious when it comes to taking a few ingredients and transforming them into a mouth-watering dish. Like this rigatoni, broccoli e salsicce. Rigatoni with broccoli and sausage. This is really a great little dish to add to your repertoire because it's not complicated, takes very few ingredients, and it's fairly straightforward to do. A gentle sizzle on my garlic. Now's the time I add hot chilies. So much a part of cooking food from southern Italy. Now my Italian sausage I've just crumbled up and into the pan to get a light golden brown color. Now part of the trick here is to have this sausage crumble up during this cooking process. And that way, that sausage will cling to every little crook and cranny of the rigatoni. And it also releases the fat within that sausage and the flavor. And the smell from this pan is absolutely fabulous. My broccoli is cooked to a nice tender point. And see this water that I cooked my broccoli in? That is now going to become the water I cook my pasta in, because there is some broccoli flavor in there, and I want that starchy pasta water to become a part of my sauce. And a little water. Now it's time to transform this broccoli into a pesto sauce. That's it, it's done. My pasta is done. And a little bit of that water comes with the noodles, which becomes part of the sauce. Broccoli pesto. Look at that beautiful color. A little bit more of that pasta water, just to loosen things up. Drizzle of olive oil. Such a simple dish. And that is it. Look at that fantastic color. The flavor of the sausage, the color from the sausage, the little paprika that's in there. Oh, it smells so good. My mouth is watering already. This is unbelievably delicious. A perfect, simple pasta.